Hello everybody, I hope you are great. Welcome to my channel Tick Speaking English by Linda. In this lesson, I want to talk about past perfect. How we can make sentence with this tense and when we can use. At first, look at the structure. Subject plus had plus past participle or verb 3. Subject plus had plus past participle or verb 3. Doesn't matter what is subject. He, she, it, we, they, I, you, all of them plus had plus past participle. For all subject, the same. Okay, when we can use this tense? When we have a time, specific time, or when we have an action in the past before the other action. For example, look at here. Here now, in here past. In the past, two actions happened. One of them before the other one. Two actions happened in the past, one of them before the other one. So, look at this example. At first, I want to tell you about action. When you came, I had cleaned, for example, the room or the home. When you came, I had cleaned the home. Look, we have two actions, came and cleaned. At first, I cleaned the home. First, I cleaned the home. After that, you came home. So, two actions. The first one we use for past perfect form, and the second one simple past. Come, came. Okay? We use simple past for second action and the first action past perfect. When you came, I had cleaned the home. Or here, before you arrived, she had gone. Two actions happened in the past. First, she went. After that, you arrived. So, we use past perfect for this action and simple past for second action. Before you arrived, she had gone. Now for a specific time. For some specific times, that action happened in the past. For example, by 2010, I had graduated MA. By 2010, I had graduated MA. What does it mean? It means that until 2010, I took my graduated. At first, I took my graduated. After that, 2010 come or finish. Okay? So, at this specific time, we did some action. Or here, by 2015, you had gotten driver's license. Driver's license means a card for driving. You need it for driving. So, by 2015, you had gotten driver's license. Before 2015, you got this card. So, we use past perfect for this sentence. Or here, I had learned a lot of words by the end of last year. By the end of last year is a specific time. So we use for past perfect had learned. Before this year finish, I learned a lot of words. So we use past perfect. I had learned a lot of words by the end of last year. I hope you got it. Now, for negative, what should we do? For negative, we just add not after had. For example, here, by 2010, I had graduated MA. For negative, I had not graduated MA. I had not graduated MA. When you came, I had cleaned the home. When you came, I had not cleaned the home. When you came, I had not cleaned the home. By 2015, you had gotten driver's license. For negative, by 2015, you had not gotten driver's license. Before you arrived, she had gone. Before you arrived, she had not gone. And the last one, I had learned a lot of words by the end of last year. For negative, I had not learned a lot of words by the end of last year. Now for question. For question, we just change the place of had and subject. For example, the first sentence, by 2010, I had graduated MA. For question, when we have I as a subject, for question, change to you. Okay, so we ask, by 2010, had you graduated MA? Had you graduated MA? Or here, when you came, I had cleaned the home. Here again we change subject. You change to I and I change to you. When I came, had you cleaned the room? When I came, had you cleaned the room? Or here, by 2015, you had gotten driver's license. By 2015, had you gotten driver's license? Had you gotten driver's license? Before you arrived, she had gone. Before you arrived, she had gone. For question, before you arrived, had she gone? Before you arrived, had she gone? Or you can change subject, before I arrived, had she gone? And here, I had learned a lot of words by the end of last year. For question, I changed to you. Had you learned a lot of words by the end of last year? Had you learned a lot of words by the end of last year? So, for negative, we just add not to had, and for question, we change the place of had and subject. I hope you understand completely this tense. If you want to learn, join and enjoy.